Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. So today we're going to do a 3-ingredient macaroni and cheese with sausage and vegetables. This is actually a casserole that I would put in the oven, but geez, it's really gosh darn hot outside. I really don't want to start my oven. So I am going to try to take these 3 ingredients and I'm just going to warm it all up in a pot and see how that turns out. This is a 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. You can use any vegetable that you like. And here is a 14-ounce smoked chicken sausage. You can use any kind of sausage that you want. You also could use hot dogs, okay? In addition to, I have also used cubes, those little cubes of ham that are already diced up. You could use that too. But this is what we're using today. And I will be right back. I am going to start cutting up my sausage. And we're just going to slice the sausage. Okay, so comment below, what is your favorite macaroni and cheese hack? I have done macaroni and cheese and chili, calling it chili mac, and several others. But what is this? I really like this one too, by the way. It's only 3 ingredients and it's pretty economical. I also like using the rope because once you start mixing the macaroni and cheese and the meat together, it really feels like there's a lot of meat in there. So, also, I wanted to tell you about the box of macaroni and cheese. Depending on how big your family is, I'm feeding 2. Just me and my husband. I'm going to use 1 box. That's going to make this really meaty and vegetable-y, which is good. I like it that way. Otherwise, you could use 2 boxes and same ingredients. Just mix it up in 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese instead. Okay, friends, I also wanted to mention, since I was going to put everything on just 1 pot and cook it, rather than I would have put it in the oven. So I defrosted that sausage, and I also, with the sausage, I brought out the mixed vegetables to defrost so they all could defrost. And they don't take very long to defrost. So this is a very quick, easy, and affordable meal. Okay, friends, I've already diced up the sausage, and now I'm going to start the macaroni and cheese. Salt it. Cook your macaroni till it's done. Then you're going to want to drain the macaroni. Now that our water is boiling, the noodles are done, I'm going to drain that and come back and show you how I make my macaroni and cheese. Okay, I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk and may even have to add more. Now I'm throwing in the cheese packet. And I'm throwing in 1/2 stick of butter. And now we want to melt that butter. Okay, friends, I wanted to comment that I've made this before without the butter and I've used water and it's turned out just great. Now let's throw in the macaroni. Now let's throw in that rope of sausage. And we're heating it all up together. Now, let's throw in the vegetables. First, I'm going to start with just half the bag. And see what that looks like. All right, so I like the half a bag. So out of this 12-ounce bag of vegetables, we're going to throw in 6 ounces. And now we're going to let that all heat up. So what I'm waiting for is this to start simmering. Then I'm going to stir it again. And then I'm going to call it done. Look at that nice simmer happening. Go ahead and stir. Okay, now we're going to let it simmer one more time, and that will only take a second. Look at it's coming up to a simmer again already. So this comes up to a simmer, and we do the stir again. And then we're going to leave it sit for maybe a minute or two, okay? The sitting for a minute or two is actually going to thicken all of this up. So now we wait. I'm going to turn off the burner and I'll be back in just a second. Now, look at how creamy. That is creamy. That is why I like to put the ingredients in first. I know I have seen people, and there's nothing wrong with that, where they'll throw in the macaroni and the powder over the macaroni and the milk and their butter, or however they want to do it. There's nothing wrong with that. But I found, because I used to make it that way too, but I found this to just be really creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to plate that up. I'm excited about this one. Also, friends, here, I wrote a few little notes right here. I wanted to just mention that this whole meal cost under $5. Okay, sausage was $2.97. The mixed vegetables was 98 cents, and we only used half of those. And a box of macaroni and cheese was 64 cents, and I did purchase all items through Walmart. Okay, making that come to $4.59. I added 7% tax, and they come up to $4.91. So this is definitely a budget-friendly meal. All right. You don't have to do this. This is not part of the recipe, but sometimes we like to top our food with stuff. So I topped it with just a little bit of cheese, and now I'm going to top it with some fried onions. I don't do this all the time. I just have these ingredients, and that is what I'm going to do. Okay. Vegetables, some sausage, make sure I got the macaroni. It smells good. It smells really good. So I read all of your comments. I wonder, what would you top this with? All right, I'm going in. Okay, that was really, really good. That's really good. Okay, let me know if you're making it and what you're going to top it with, friends. Friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.